Mabuhay, Philippines! Coming soon to Davao City. The God Culture Rise Philippines Conference. This time, we are going deep. Discover the source of King Solomon's gold. The Garden of Eden will be revealed. Even covering maps that will blow your mind. The day of fresh prophecy restored that will give your goosebumps. Come and join our extended conference on Thursday evening, Friday evening, and all day Saturday, June 27 through 29, 2024. Be sure to register now as space is limited. We look forward to seeing you soon. God bless to everyone.